You're coming to us live here from SUSE CON in Prague. I'm your host, as always, Stephen Dickens, and I'm joined by Douglas and Luboš. Hey, guys.
Hey.
So, we're obviously walking around some of the booths. Give us a flavor of what you're showing here. Open by design, collaborate, build, shift. Just really give us a perspective of what that means. Maybe some of the customer conversations you've had over the last couple of days.
So we're openSUSE and we're a project. So our customers are really community. They're contributors, right? So that's going into the whole thing of open.
And this is leaning into SUSE's overall message around choice and being an open source to the core. Is that really where you guys are coming from?
I would say the very entry point to the platform, right? Like if somebody wants to actually get familiar, he doesn't want to spend any bucks, he goes for openSUSE. The leap is identical to SUSE in its core. So, if you are looking into what would be the experience with SUSE without breaking your back, then you would do it, you would install it. You can test everything, you can see if the application runs. If you are ready to pay, you can migrate to SUSE or you install SUSE, which should be in its core identical.
So this is the on-ramp into the SUSE ecosystem, basically.
Very much
We actually had one of the customers from a bank, considering, hey, they were a little bit concerned about the situation. They wanted to be a little bit more digital sovereign. And they were saying, hey, we are like almost fully on Red Hat. We would like to consider different platform. But like we do not want to read yet. We just want to scan the ground. This is perfect.
Trial it out, get familiar, understand what's different, what the advantages are before you move into a commercial
Exactly. Test it out with SUSE Manager or SUSE Multi-Linux Manager nowadays. And like that can be all done with openSUSE.
So if you were to summarize this up for the community and maybe some of those enterprise customers, what would the key takeaways be? Do you think maybe some of the conversations you've had this week or the core value prop?
It's really platform awareness for like entry point to the SUSE ecosystem. Like contributors, a lot of people value that they can maybe even contribute. There was somebody from German government and they were interested in collaborating on SUSE, on the Linux policy maintenance. And like this makes it possible, right? Like they can go through SUSE, get their changes into SUSE, and like everybody can benefit. So
yeah. And how would you summarize it, Douglas?
I mean, basically the same avenue here. When you look at openSUSE, it's a variety of different things, from build tools to different flavors of Linux, where you can actually see and contribute very early on that'll trickle down into the enterprise product.
It's not just the end user's path into Linux, it's also how those features migrate into the more commercial version.
We were also showing how to migrate. There was a demo of a tool which can do that.
Oh, here we go, the live demo.
Yeah, no, let's not do like that. But like we were showcasing that it's actually quite easy. It's like 2-minute operation.
Fantastic.
And I mean, for another example, you have NVIDIA, who has helped loan.
Hey, the gecko wants in on the action.
It does.
We'll keep that in the. We'll keep that in the edit. We'll keep that in the edit. We're just going to embrace the gecko. Carry. I'm going to stand here holding this now. Carry on. You were saying about NVIDIA.
So NVIDIA kind of provided an option in our open build service, and so you're looking at ARM v9. I mean, this is just an entryway for a company infrastructure to kind of like support getting to a point where you come about with a product benefits them, benefits SUSE. So that's really what.
Well, that's a great way to wrap. We're coming to you with the Geeko in my hands here. You please check back for more content. Like, subscribe, do all those things and share, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye from the Geeko.